Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You need the profile file and a compatible monitor. Make sure your cable is secure and Windows is up to date. First, locate the IC or ICOM file you want to use, place it in an easy folder like Documents. Then open Settings, go to System, Display, and scroll to Advanced Display. From there, click Color Profile or Color Management. This starts the assignment process. Once done, Windows will show available profiles. Select the one you downloaded so the system can apply it to that display. Once in Color Management, choose the monitor you intend to calibrate from the device list. This ensures you apply the profile correctly. Next, check Use My Settings for this device. That unlocks the Add button. Click Add, browse to your IC or ICOM file and select it. Now set that profile as default profile so apps and Windows use it first. Make sure any color-managed application is restarted so it reads the new profile. And note that some desktop elements refresh immediately, while others require a reboot. To finish, restart apps that display color or reboot your PC so every program loads the new profile. If colors still seem off, remove the profile and re-add it, or try a different ICC file to rule out a bad profile. Also verify the monitor's onboard calibration or reset to factory if needed. Sometimes hardware settings override software profiles. For precise checks, open Color Management's Advanced tab to set system defaults. Run profile verification, and make sure the intended profile.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.